Was where. Was used with I, he, she, it and with any kind of name. Where used with you, we and they. Both was and were used in past tense, but was is used with singular subject and were is used with plural subject. Let's learn one by one. I was tired. I was wrong. He was alone. He was brave. It was night. I was at home. He was standing. I was a teacher. Bill was in Japan. I was out all day. She was very busy. Everyone was happy. She was making tea. He was born in England. Interrogative sentence. Was I wrong? How was your day? When was he born? How was your night? Was the movie good? How was your summer? What was that noise? How was your weekend? When was it finished? How was the math test? Negative sentences. She was not married. He was not famous. It was not hot yesterday. We were not invited. What he said was not true. His opinion was not accepted. I am not as rich as I was. Where used with you, we, they. We were all tired. We were very tired. All of us were silent. They were very excited. There were 10 eggs in all. We were very busy last week. Interrogative sentences. Where were you going? Were you busy yesterday? Were you out last night? Were you at home yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you late this morning? Negative sentences. We were not invited. You were not at the party. They were not friends. We were not late. You were not a driver. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.